Okay, so hey you guys, welcome back for another video. I know it's been a couple of months. Yeah, it's been like a couple of months. There's been some things going on, a whole lot's going on. But pretty much my hair has been in crochet braids for a while, and I've just been taking it back out and redoing the same style over and over again, which was the clip I showed you guys previously. I wanted to give this stuff a try because I'm actually getting married this week, but after everything's done, I'll come back and do like a whole video explaining like everything and all that good stuff. So I wanted to give the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line a try. I don't use regular conditioners, so I didn't think that it made sense to buy that. So I bought the shampoo, which was $5.99, and I bought the Moisture Replenishing Strength hair mask. It says for dry, damaged hair. My hair is extremely dry right now because of the protective style and the fact that I hadn't been moisturizing it while it was in that style. So that one looks like this, and this was $6.99. So let me just go off the smells. I actually didn't smell this in the store, which is kind of strange, but it smells pretty good. It smells good. It smells like shampoo. Not bad. It smells familiar. It smells like something else. I can't think of it. It smells like another product that I already have, but I just can't think of what it is. Whatever. So yeah, it smells alright. So I'm going to be using these two, and I will let you guys know how, like my thoughts on them. So, well, I guess my initial thoughts, because this will be my first time using it. My hair, I mean, I guess it's doing this thing. It doesn't feel too crazy. Like, I'm sure I'm going to need a trim once I am done styling my hair. I'm actually going to put it up in another protective style. I'm going to do a quick weave for the wedding, and yeah, after that, or maybe like once it starts to get a little cooler when I want to wear my hair back out again, then I'll get my relaxer and I will get a trim and all that good stuff. So I have not had a relaxer since my last upload, my last relaxer upload, which I think was either the end of January, beginning of February, and it is now about to be August. Like, it's the first week of, yeah, it's just about the first week of August. My wedding is on 8/1/18. So yeah, it's been a couple of months, about 5 months, 5 or 6 months, something like that. And yeah, I mean, you guys know how it is. Nothing too crazy, because I haven't been really dealing with it. Like, I've just been braiding it down and putting it back into protective styles. So stay tuned, and I will let you guys know my thoughts on these products.